If you're mining this particular project called Key, what I can tell you is that congratulations, because a lot of people have actually been making an insane amount of money from this particular token called Key, and this is what I will be sharing with you in this particular video. Every update that you need to know, the KYC that will be coming up in the month of August, things that you need to do to put yourself in place, and the current staking of Key that is actually happened, and how to buy Key on Pancakeswap. All this is what I'll be sharing in this particular video. And there's one particular important information that I've seen that nobody is actually talking about that I'll be sharing with you. That is, if you're able to watch this particular video to the end. So let's start with the first one. We have all known that Key has actually said that the KYC will be coming up in the month of August. We are still waiting for other updates about that particular on the date that it will be happening, but I'm very sure that they have been very true with what they have actually been saying, and I know in the month of August that the KYC will be happening. And another thing I want you to know is that if you are mining this particular token and you have actually referred 3 friends, don't joke, start claiming your BTC now, because when you come tap on this mining section, then you tap on, you can see the amount of BTC I've actually mined, and you just tap on this your receipt. Every 24 hours you'll be given the amount of BTC that you have been able to mine. And one thing that they have actually said that everybody needs to be careful about in the month of August, that if you have referrals that are not very serious or that are not mining, see, they have said it that the only number of referrals that are active and able to pass their KYC is the amount of key that will be migrated to your wallet here. So if you have referrals who are unable to pass their KYC, what they say is that all this particular token that you have here will be actually be converted into points, and it will be useless. I mean, it will be useless as anything. So if you have a community and the KYC has actually started, make sure you actually encourage them, teach them on how they could get verified and pass their KYC. And not that alone, and if you come to this particular section here, if you watch my previous video, I talked about the staking of Key. So now you can actually buy Key on Pancakeswap. I'll be showing you in this particular video. But if you have your Key, not the one you mine but the one you bought, you come to this particular place. This is another opportunity for you to 10x or increase your Key token. You could see, if you're able to pledge your Key for 7 days, you'll be getting 3.5% for that 7 days. For 30 days, it will be 5.5%, and for 120 days, it will be 8.5%. And the minimum is actually 10k. So it is very easy as anything. Just put the amount of Key token that you need to put. You just put it there, and you just tap on this pledge, and that is it. And just choose the random number that you just need to do. That is how to actually pledge your Key token, if you actually want to pledge your Key token. So let me take you on how you'll be able to buy your Key token on Pancakeswap. If you haven't watched my previous video, I've actually shared it on how you'll be able to import your contract address and how you'll be able to import Key token on Trust Wallet. That video, I'll be dropping it in the description of this particular video. If you haven't started mining this particular token, I'll also be dropping my referral link in the description and also in the comment section of this particular video, so that you could actually start. And if you want to start your cryptocurrency journey, I have a particular ebook that will actually teach you on how you can begin your cryptocurrency journey from a beginner to a pro. So let's go to my Trust Wallet. So as you can see now, this is my Trust Wallet. So, and you can see Key here now. It's showing Key that's matching. Then you come to this discovered. Then you go to Pancakeswap. You just tap on it. You see I have it here, and I'll drop in the link, the correct link to Pancakeswap. Then you tap on it. After you tap on it, you allow it to load. You just wait for a few seconds. It is depending on how strong your network is. So the first thing is that you could see it said connect. The first thing is that you need to actually connect your wallet. You can see that mine is actually showing Key here. It's because I've actually imported Key into Pancakeswap here. And if you need that particular video, I'll be dropping my previous video. Now I'll be able to do it. So you tap on this connect, you tap on this your Trust Wallet, you say connect. Now it is the wallet is connected now. Then let me swap it. So let's say, for example, you want to buy with USDT. You have to actually first of all send USDT to your Trust wallet. And if you want to buy, because it's on BNB Smart Chain, if you want to buy with BNB, you just tap on this particular place. You just tap on this BNB native token. Then you put the BNB you have. Let's say 0.1 BNB. It will actually tell us the amount of keys that we will be getting. Let it load, and let's see, 0.1 BNB is $80 actually. So the number of BNB key it will give us is not showing. Let me increase it. It's network. You see now, you see it will give us 882.023 key token. And I tell you, this is just the best time for you to buy. And after you have done that, you tap on this. Then the gas fees, you actually need BNB also for a gas fee if you are using BNB. Then you tap on this, get it now, and within minutes you actually see your key in your address here. And if you want to send it out to your key token, you need to come to this particular place. You tap on this, you tap on send, then you go to your key. You go to your key here. You go to your key here. You come to your key wallet here. I've actually done a lot of video about this. Then you tap on this your key. Then you tap on receive. You see a particular address. Then you tap on key. You tap on BNB Smart Chain. You tap on it. BNB Smart Chain data update is expected to complete in 3 hours. I think they are currently doing a particular upgrade currently. If not, it will show us the contract address. And if you can watch my previous video, I've actually show you on how you'll be able to do it. Then you copy that particular address that I sent. That is what you paste here. Let me log in again. That is what you paste here, and you put the amount. Then you tap on next, and you put your transaction pin. Then it will be actually be sent, and before you know it, you'll be able to see it in this particular your key token. Then from there, you'll be able to stake if you wanted to stake. Let me show you another quick update, which I say is the best one that I want to share with you. So this is it now. Look at it. They say congratulations to Key for launching CoinGecko. It is well-known cryptocurrency data platform providing real-time price tracking, market analysis, portfolio tracking. Now, Key is now listed on CoinGecko or CoinMarketCap. Yes, you could see this is the price that was the price I was. But this morning when I was checking, it has actually dumped. I tell you, this is just the best time. That is for anybody who want to buy. And look at this other one. They say we have recently repurchased. Look at them now. They have actually repurchased over 270,000 key on the open market and intended to increase the total amount repurchased to around 500. Key are actually buying back by August 6, 2025. The repurchase key will be transferred to Black Hole for destruction on August 6, 2025. We plan to repurchase the total of 1 million key on the open market for destruction within. Meaning what this particular statement actually mean that they will be burning some certain key. And don't be scared. See, um, when a particular project begin to burn their token, it make that particular token to be very scarce, and it makes the price to actually soar. I think it is a very good thing that they will actually be burning this particular amount of key token. And I tell you, people that have been trading on Pancakeswap, actually they have not been anything that there was no liquidity. I tell you, they have a lot of liquidity because these particular people know what they are actually. If you have any question that you want me to say in this particular project, please kindly drop it in the comment section of the particular video. And don't forget to like, share, click on the bell notification so that you get notified anytime we upload any other new video like this. Thank you and bye bye for now.